Yabo AFCON ni wie no nim sem dada obi nim se Senegal energy AFCON no edisi omo enaso na abra yabo game no Senegal yebabo ye mobiem it took Sadio Mane and impedimfo bi and a convince Senegal players na aka no omba park no so abra na referee wodi a game na the penalty e dey ama e Morocco na Senegal for nsi dey bi as that time a referee no at the penalty, the timing, any coin no offer so the penalty no. Now omni referee no enya guarantee. Omi yeso mubi ma. It took Sadio Mane and in penifo na a convincing players no. Amomba back park the so bobo game no. Ye bo game no na Senegal as Morocco at the trophy no at the esiom na so. Some can ye bo AFCON ye no. This one committee at the rolling by. Emma omo mufu say on the day oma muama AFCON final and said any person and Yemesi corner and Cosano. This one committee ruling a buy and yet Chomaso. Osha Senegal, Elfenua, a Chomaso, so Munchesi be the individual players be a Chomaso, Oko Morocco at the same thing. And I still now no Morocco for someone to Mwasi into Omoko appeal. Sir, this one committee ruling on the buy no, Omane, a ruling no, and Nagin, and into appeal no, entrance. Now I'm also from ruling no Emra Ayabonting. And finally, CAF appeals board no, and so at the Roman ruling at the Abana Kesepana. Romana Nona after controversy now must say, offer baby social media no so there, and one will be a discussion no. Senegal ye say AFCON no J edition man house no. Yan Jim from some yan fama Morocco adenia. I'm say Emrana ye the ball AFCON no Osha article 84 Senegal for no boom so we free park and so omu bobo ni biem na echi omu sa ba park and so bobo no omu de Emrano omu say Senegal for no buso enti yenje air trophy ni fu omu nsam na yen hwe say game na e course no e Morocco mum e na share ye mo 3 goals because Emrano abo Senegal for na so mo forfeit e final na omu so boy and enti make say e dia appeal board no as a trophy na the man Senegal are the champions for the 2025 no yenji sa trophy no and free from said na yemfama e Morocco asemi ba enye ni padudo na atro magen ebi so we die eje ni guase pa edema African football say ya bo competition awie ye bo wie 2 months and ne na ye the trophy am obi dia qualify akọ celebrate ibibia awie ewie ye obi akọ akọtena bodum say obi abumbre bi so nti on forfeit ama yan kwaje trophy no enfamfini nsem mfama aye nipa na enyo no ene share no ebi fu say look emra samra no ho say so bi ebu samra no so which is article 84 no near the samra no de abo Senegal dia enti ana amanfo se sabi aye nimguase adema African football to me how to any na do message no aba that really na and as a really na free appeal board no aba no ono mo ya adwen ana ono mo enya adwen Bismarck osu be Ayala mi sa she ensha sem from free ho na really ni abai oni appeal board ni ya adwen ana ono mo nya adwen because any enim sem na no ho dia adentina this one committee no kwatena ase no omo antrigger samba ni amfa emna na ndi Senegal for ya tena wa 2 months ni ne I think it's a quantity of from them.
Okay. You see, let's be very, very honest with ourselves. Once a Emran, it means nobody can be absolutely sure so only right.
So Nadia.
The interpretation of Emra vis-a-vis the Ekoso and Bibiano, which mostly in the bosom of the judge and the jury. And unti Obia can present ne understanding and the interpretation of the CN or the Tutum Rano. Na what me advance or no argument in the opinion say based on the see any the mrana can some media to any na me interpreting mrana meaning answer no mijiri say saying was echo. And for instance, there are school of thoughts which omunina are making very, very cogent arguments. First one, Rich, idea Senegal on that day was an Ngwasia papa. Bonibeka say unacceptable. Ujitumwa enye ye. Eninti edemisio de Senegal ye no. Se omo asotwe bia wo se de ma omo a ye ma omo asotwe a strict enunti no se ukọ CAF regulations na ebo AFCON no brana the article 82 article 84 no ye apply the strict on Senegal strict sene be ya in Chidima ebe hu se the moment a day bi obi so be na so be gu African football anymore no omo form hundi until there are those people there must chale ayala emamu yen so sad dey we so the only yen no eyenim guase intimna no sene ye kan no na e wo na ya apply to them sene be obi ayena gu so be ye bi dachi a amma na adwene mu kra so wonye nti let's set a precedent that is strict and harsh enough na emranu ntimi enset as a deterrent to obi adachi bi ono so be dwene ho se obegu African football animase. That argument is also there.
And you know, I'm going to be Article 82.
Yes.
Also, for any reason whatsoever, a team withdraws from the competition or does not report for a match or refuse to play or leaves the ground before the regular end of the match without the authorization of the referee, it shall be considered loser and shall be eliminated for a good from the current competition. The same shall apply for the team previously disqualified by decision of CAF.
Good. In Tinkofor say, look, 82 ne kind of clear. Say free grounds hoko na enye referee na authorize wa. Yen declare so for 50 game no. Na yen declare wa yes are the no loser.
Loser, yeah.
Na opponent yama ne 3 goals 3 points. Inti sana afri na jatuma. So be it. Obia me di sem our African football. That is one argument. Rich, the second argument is in here. Omo argue second and say, I no cre Emrani is stated there, Senate ye. No. The interpretation of Emrano can't only be seen from the literal interpretation. Senate yatronona. Nemum in law interpretation, there is something we call purposive. Purpose being tin ya sheshem rana. Se ote purpose ni tin ya sheshem rana sia. Who interpreting rana ebemo when you a very, very good understanding of all the angles you must look at. Now for those who are arguing for the purposive interpretation of the law, which I side with Sanko follow, as I'm gonna say, knowing football is an emotional sport. Inti when you with me about protest bet me about. And untina ye de to me ashe referees any match commissioners in some say that game no they are the managers of the ebekoso obia. And unti in the wisdom and the discretion of the referee, say a game not temper score higher. Now obimpo within some specific minutes. Aya nagin said na kuma kosunti obi protested by even walking off the picture. Now those people are arguing, say, Rich, when you read the rules, baby ekasa about say walking out, no, does it talk about the pitch or the grounds? the specific word in the emrano grounds. Now people are arguing say see a stadium see a kobo game baby around the legitimate places our stadium when you know deemed as the grounds of the stadium.
Pitch in the only no.
Yes, into pitch near grounds, dressing room near grounds, park name feature baby grounds yes see a kind of and until say if Senegal in their protest decided not to leave the stadium, which is the grounds, but went into the dressing room, they were still on the premises of the grounds. Number 2, referee now on managing game waited because they saw mediation. They waited, including Morocco for now only Senegal. They also there were protests and mediation at El Koso because temperatures were high and Gofa Kuma Koso. Now, which within that protest came Senegal for no elbow back onto the pitch. Omuba back onto the pitch no. Say a man na was a plan is street here. And then Uncle Refi no also catch him say for the fact that man walking off the pitch. Namako dressing room. Medina article 82 so etumi. Medical losers of the game and have awarded 3 goals, 3 points to Morocco. But Omubayano, the referee didn't apply article 82. Morocco themselves, in good faith, and say based on article 82, referee pong game, no, they accepted Senegal back onto the pitch.
The ball game twice.
Penalty na ne ajetia Senegal.
Boy.
I don't know no mubuafu. The penalty was taken and mixed. Game ne twice so ama Senegal ko share in the extra time. Referee elbow final whistle say same match we Yapon and Yapon you know in the referee's match report, even though it will include all the protests in the normal course, you know, the referee final decision on the results is that boy Yapon and Senegal and a share el game nim and Senegal and a winners of that match. Now since that process of referee pong game recorded same Emma into the books of the match reporters and say Senegal the winners our game. No. People think say one a waive the right of article 82. Emma article 82 application, you know, and you're so effective. Now, Rich, then the last argument goes with the social media for no and the tools, no, talking about if a laws, no, law 5, referee, and to me. Now, for the purpose of this argument, let's read
5.1. No.
The authority of the referee and 5.2. 5.1 is say each match is controlled by a referee who has full authority to enforce the laws of the game in connection with the match. 5.2 decision of the referee. Decisions will be made to the best of the referee's ability according to the laws of the game and the spirit of the game, and will be based on the opinion of the referee who has the discretion to take appropriate action within the framework of the laws of the game. You express your discretion within. See, I can say within a manual, but what's a manual? Within a manual, there will be actions, interventions. As a referee, you must observe and within all the corners exercise or discretion. Now, Rich, then the last part, let's say, the decision of the referee regarding facts connected with play, including whether or not a goal is scored, and the results of the match are final. The decision of the referee and all other match officials must always be respected.
Finito.
And a normal course and go for walking off pitch in it, Sanomanamani, But Rich, in the discretion of the referee, those were things indeed you can want some and this was the result of the game. And man say do sad manner within the framework of the law. Now you can want some. The referee won a discretion within it, and the decisions are final. Into which maybe I subscribe to the second school of thought.
Okay.
And me did say Senegal, Senegal, they will go to CAF and persuade this case. Rich, they have a very, very good case.
Bema